Hello beautiful family, we must welcome back to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today on this menu, I'm going to share with you one of Ghana's favorite and famous soup. Yes, that is palm nut soup I'm talking about. This is one of Ghana's favorite and famous soup. To start with, I'm going to boil my palm fruit alongside with some turkey berries. So I'll be cooking this for at least 1 hour for it to softening very well. So next, let me take you through the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe as well. So I'll be using some salted fish, that is Koobi, my crabs, okra, pepper, smoked fish, onions, my wele or karo, that is my spices. I don't joke with my all-purpose spices at all. That is my salted pork and my beef. I also having some fresh beef as well, and I having some blended garlic and ginger, and I also have some prekese for flavor. Prekese in Abenkwan is something else, guys. You have to try this. So in a clean pot, I'll add all my meat to the pot. To that, I'll add in some frozen tomato paste to it, my chopped onions, all-purpose seasoning, beef seasoning powder, blended garlic and ginger, and some salt to taste. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, and I'm going to steam this for at least 15 minutes for the meat or my karo, especially my karo, to soften a little bit. So moving forward, I'm going to pound my palm fruit in my wardrobe. I don't even know how to say this, so I'm going to grind it or pound it very well for it to become smooth like this. And this is our last result for this. It takes a lot of time, so this is how we make it in a Ghanaian home. A typical Ghanaian home, we make palm nut soup like this. Yes. So after pounding the palm fruits, I added a little bit of water to it, and I'm squeezing the water from the chaff, and that is what I'm looking for. I need just the juice as you've seen right now. So I'm going to strain it until I get no chaff or methane in my palm nut juice. Using a colander, I'm going to strain it for the last time. You can use a net with small holes to strain your palm nut juice to your soup base until I'm done. Next, I'll be adding in some pepper. To that, I'll add in some onions as well, and my prekese for flavor. I don't joke with prekese anytime I'm preparing my palm nut soup, because the flavor it gives you is something else, and it's very medicinal as well. Moving forward, I'll be adding in my salted tilapia. Remember, I added in salt when I was making the soup base, so there is no need adding in salt again. To that, I'll add in my smoked fish called adwene. This adwene is something else. It's not that regular adwene we see on markets. I will check for the actual name for this adwene and add it to the description box. Next, I'll remove my pepper in my soup and my onions as well. I'm going to blend it and add it to my soup. After adding in my blended onion and pepper, I'll then go ahead and add in my fresh salmon. Yes, I'll add in salmon and my okra as well, because I'm enjoying this with my fufu. I don't joke with my fufu at all. I won't let this palm nut soup go waste today. I have to eat it with fufu. After adding in my mackerel and my fresh okra, I'll leave this to cook for additional 30 minutes. Yes, after that, you will see the oil settling on top of your soup. That means your palm nut soup is ready and you are going to enjoy yourself. And at this point, you should be getting your dancing shoes to dance with me, because our soup is almost ready after all the stress we went through. Yes, it is worth it. This soup is one of the soup that takes a long time to prepare in Ghana, but it's so delicious, trust me. You don't want to miss this out. Try this recipe and leave a comment down below in the comment section. So this is what I was talking about. The oil has settled on top beautifully, just as you've seen. So this means the soup is ready and I'm going to enjoy myself, trust me. Fam, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up and click on the post notification bell, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Bye bye and stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of the video.